welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allie, or Wavy Curly Allie. I am a healthy hair enthusiast just here sharing my tips and tricks on how to help you love your hair as it is naturally. So today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, purple shampoo. This is the topic that I get asked about a lot. I do bleach my hair, so it does need to have a purple shampoo in it from time to time. You can also use a blue shampoo depending on the tones that you're trying to cancel out in your hair. So a quick little tidbit, if you have more orange tones in your hair that you're trying to cancel out, you're going to want to err on the side of a blue shampoo. Blue and orange are opposite on the color wheel. If you have more yellow tones in your hair, you're gonna want to stick more on the purple side, as purple and yellow are opposite on the color wheel, and purple will cancel out the yellow. Today, I'm gonna just walk you through the shampoos that I have been using and then teach you how to make an all-natural, organic, cruelty-free purple shampoo or conditioner, depending on what you like. I'll actually show you how to make a blue one as well while we're at it. So let's get into it. So first to start, let's talk a little bit about the shampoos that I use on a pretty regular basis. So the first one is the Goldwell Dualsenses Blondes and Highlights Purple Shampoo. I also have this as a conditioner. Since this is something that you'll want to leave on your hair for several minutes, it's nice to have it as a conditioner so that the pigment can get into your hair while you're still conditioning it. So many people do prefer to get purple conditioners, but it's totally by preference. Shampoo is very popular as well. The other one that I like to use is the Paul Mitchell Platinum Blonde Shampoo. I received this one after a review from Brad Mondo, and I saw the results on the little test piece of hair that he used it on and thought this could be a great option. It's also less expensive. Clearly I use this one religiously, and I've been using it for years, so I buy it in the liters, but I did want to test out something new, as I know many other things have come out on the market since I started coloring my hair blonde, and it's been years. So I love both of these, and they're both at different price points, so you can check either of these out. But the purpose of today's video is to show you a natural way to make a purple shampoo or conditioner using the products that you already use and love, but just adding something in to get the pigment that you need to help tone your hair. So I already have it sitting in my hair. I'm just jumping on a little bit late, but I still wanted to show you how I make this. So the first thing that you're going to need is butterfly pea flower. These are dehydrated pea flowers. They're beautiful little blue flowers that when you use them in water, steeped just like a tea, they will release a pigment, a very, very blue pigment. Now I've already gone ahead and added some boiling water to my pea flowers and have part of my concoction started, but just to back up, I just took a few pinches of the flowers, dropped them into a container, boiled some water, just poured a little bit of water in there, not too much, maybe a couple of tablespoons to make it a little more concentrated. So there's definitely more pea flower in my mix than there is water, again, so that I make it very concentrated. And then I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Again, exactly the same as making a tea. So it's a little bit hard to see. I'm gonna tip this to see if you can see the liquid. Probably not too much, but it is very, very blue. Now, once you're done with this, you strain some of this liquid into another container, which I've already done here. And then from here, you can add in your shampoo or conditioner, something that you're already using. So you don't need to go out and buy a new shampoo and conditioner. Just use the ones that you know and love. So if you'd like to make it organic and natural, as this kind of already is, then you can use something like Innersense Organic Beauty. This is one of my favorite shampoos that I like to use in the product. It smells great, but let's say you want to go on a less expensive route, and for the sake of this demonstration, I will be using the Out of My Hair Gentle Daily Shampoo by Hairitage by Mindy McKnight. So this is something you can purchase at Walmart. Is Curly Girl approved? If you are a strict Curly Girl, this will work for you as well. It does err more on the side of a clarifying shampoo. It does have a cleansing agent in there that's a little bit stronger, but it should still be okay for your hair. So you just take a few pumps of this into there until you get the consistency that you want and the tone that you want. If you put too much in there, dribble a little bit more water in there, which I will show you, and it will make it darker. Now, if you want to use this as a blue shampoo or conditioner to cancel out the orange in your hair, then you leave it as is. You apply it like this. Again, alter the consistency to however you see fit. If you don't mind it being a little bit more watery, this is going to suds up just fine, I promise. Then you can leave it a little bit more watery. If you want it denser and thicker in consistency, you can add more shampoo. So again, it's nice to have a less expensive option if you do want to add more shampoo, but it's gonna get a little watery because the pigment is in the liquid. So That's the blue. So you can kind of see on the base of the container, this is blue. Now let's say you want to make a purple shampoo, which is what I like to do. Since I have more yellow tones in my hair, I need it to be purple. So I'm going to take one of these little medicine syringes from my infant Tylenol. Don't worry, I'm not using this with my kids anymore. And I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. We all know in the curly community that this is a great clarifying agent for our hair. Doesn't smell the greatest, but we're just gonna add a couple of drops, which is why I'm using a syringe to do it. I only want to add a couple of drops. That's going to turn the blue liquid purple. We're changing the acidity of the liquid, which will make it purple. So you're just gonna take a few drops of this and just drip it in. Give it a little stir, and ta-da, it's purple. Easy as that. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the shampoo. I prefer to use shampoo when making this purple because I don't want the apple cider vinegar to stay in my hair. If I'm using conditioner, I'd rather use it as a shampoo, rinse it out, and then go on about conditioning. Now, you can absolutely still use it as a conditioner. It's whatever works for you. So there you go. A little bit thicker in consistency. So what I've gone ahead and done, as I mentioned already, it's already in my hair, which is why I'm up in a plopping towel this entire video, up until the end when I show you the results. So this is probably the 5th or 6th time that I've done this. I have been doing this just about every time that I've washed. Again, there is such a minimal amount of apple cider vinegar in there, but I also only wash about 1 time a week and then have my refreshes in between before my next wash day. So I usually like to clarify once a week and deep condition. So this is kind of part of that routine of clarifying, having the apple cider vinegar in there, and then using my deep conditioner and washing it out. But again, you can just add this as a staple part of your wash day routine. It is whatever works for you. Like I said, I've already gone ahead and put this on my hair. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, which I normally do. And then I'm going to finish washing, style as usual, and we'll see the results when we get back. All right, everyone, we're back. Here's the final results. My hair is fully dry and styled how I typically style it. Today I used just a little bit of the Eco Slay rice pudding for the leave-in and then the Eco Slay orange marmalade gel. That's it. Diffused as normal. So that's it. That's the color. Keeping it nice and bright. Yeah, and I love this. So just a quick recap. Use the butterfly pea flowers, dehydrated, steeped in water the same way you would a tea. There is no specific formula that I do for this. I start with a little bit of water to concentrate the liquid as much as I can and get as much of that pigment out of the flower as I can. And then I add a couple of drops of apple cider vinegar that changes the acidity of the liquid, which makes it purple. So if you want it blue, don't add the ACV. If you do want it purple, add the ACV. And then use the shampoo and conditioner of your choice, and there you have it, an all-natural, organic, clean, purple or blue shampoo. So I'm going to tag the original YouTuber below that I learned all of this from, so mad credit to you. I appreciate it. I love this. I'm going to continue doing this. It did take a few washes for me to start to see the difference, but if it's something that I can just add to the products I'm already using, that is absolutely no problem for me. So I hope that's been helpful. If you can, please like and subscribe and let me know below what you'd like to see next. I'll continue bringing you the videos that you love the most. All right, thanks guys.